English is fun. Yeah, high five. Hi. Hello. Let's play. Yay.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
That's good.
What is your name?
My name is Anna. What is your name?
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you like school? Yes, I like school. I like English.
I like English too. Let's study together.
Yes, let's be friends.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye-bye.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Tom.
Don't forget your homework.
I will not forget.
Let's come early to school.
Yes, let's come early. We can read a story together. That is a great idea.
Learning
English!